Hi, Donna Guest here, the Lazy Scrapbooker and Creative Memories Advisor. I love fast pages and have completed well over 100 albums. After 20 years representing Creative Memories as an independent advisor, I definitely have my favorites. I want to share with you my favorite Creative Memories products to help you complete your pages more quickly. Here are my top picks for fast pages. Number 1, the Creative Memories Border Maker System. Just one good border can make a fantastic page, and the Creative Memories Border Maker System is the fastest way to create something amazing. I have to say, at only $35.50 and including 2 cartridges at the time of this video, it's a phenomenal deal. New cartridges come out regularly so you can customize your collection with your favorites. Insert your paper, and just 6 simple punches later, you've got a beautiful 12-inch border. If you want more instruction and ideas using the Border Maker System, check out my video in the top right corner. Number 2, the Repositionable Tape Runner. I've had customers tell me that this is their favorite Creative Memories product. While Creative Memories says that Repositionable Tape Runner is not meant to be permanent, your photos and papers are not going to fall off your pages. I even used it to attach a poster to my son's bathroom wall 5 years ago, and it's still there. Repositionable tape allows you to attach, change your mind, then move, then reattach your photos without destroying the papers underneath. But the main reason I love it so much is that it's the fastest, most perfect adhesive for attaching intricate borders and embellishments. Because the adhesive comes off in dots, you won't have to worry about any excess adhesive showing through. Number 3, the MultiPurpose Tool. I once forgot my multi-tool when going to a crop, and I was completely lost and devastated without it. I use this little gem for mainly 2 things. First, for lifting photos or paper off of a page when I need to move them. Gotta love that repositionable tape runner. This even works beautifully to remove old photos that have been stuck to old, unsafe albums for years without damaging the photos. It's a lifesaver. I did all mine 20 years ago, so I don't have any to show, but I've seen it done over and over by my customers. The other use that saves me the most time is applying ABC stickers. I love ABC stickers and use them all the time for my titles. I actually enjoy the relaxing process of applying them, but without this multi-tool, nope. Without it, they get stuck everywhere and don't go where I intend them to go. Seriously, this little tool is a must-have. Number 4, the 12-inch trimmer. I've seen other trimmers in action and they can be cumbersome. The Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer is hands down the best and easiest to work with. I love that I can see the lines and numbers in bold black print and how easy it is to change the blades. There are so many great features and you can find them all in my video in the top right corner. Remember, the Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer is best for paper. If you're trimming photos, use the personal trimmer, a classic Creative Memories product. Number 5, Fasta Fab Albums. It's no secret that Creative Memories strap hinge albums are the best. But a Fasta Fab album where the pages are already designed for you, what could be better? Just add your photos, journaling, and some coordinating embellishments from the collection and you are done. You cannot find a faster way to create a beautiful scrapbook. To see more of this completed album, check out my video in the top right corner. Before I reveal my final pick, if you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit like or subscribe to see all future videos. And I invite you to join me every Tuesday night live at 8 p.m. Eastern Time on Facebook for my Tuesday tip. You'll see that address right here. I'll demonstrate a technique and we can chat. And what's my last pick, and arguably my favorite? It's the subject of my most popular video on my channel. The one, the only, the Power Layout Kit. Spending the time to plan out your album in advance is the best way, in my opinion, to complete your album more quickly. At a minimum, just choosing which photos and memorabilia go on each page saves so much time and makes sure your album stays the size you want it. You can plan for 2-page spreads so there are no surprises. If you haven't seen my video, you'll find it in the top right-hand corner now and again at the end of this video. It's 14 minutes of instruction to teach you how to use this kit to pre-plan your album. Those are my favorites for fast pages. So how did I do? Did I leave anything out? Let me know in the comments what are your favorite Creative Memories products for fast pages. Thanks for watching. Now let's go do some fast pages.